What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob Pouncey, aka RP3, and I'm back with another video. I have here a series of cases from SupCase. They sent me out for the iPhone 11. Now this is the 6.1. This is not the Pro variant, but I'm quite sure they will have their Pro variant of cases out real soon. But as of now, iPhone 11. So I have the Unicorn Beetle Pro, the Electro Unicorn Beetle, the UB Sport, and the regular Unicorn Beetle series of cases. So let's check the fit. Now, first up, I have here the Unicorn Beetle Clear Series design. Now, this premium hybrid protective case is the clear one. I do have the all clear and the one that's trimmed in black. Now, it does have a hard PC back. It does have the shock absorbent TPU bumper that provides your phone with that effective protection. Now, the back cover is transparent and extremely scratch resistant. It does have the elevated bezels to ensure the lock screen camera lens avoids scratches when it's face down. Now, there's easily access to all your smartphone features, function ports, thanks to their precise design, case cutouts. You shouldn't have any problems. This is only compatible with the 6.1-inch iPhone 11. Let's check them out real quick. Clear one does have some tabs for you so you don't get trolled. Nice clear design, looks really nice. All black bumper with a nice little inside gray trim around the edges and a little gray trim around the camera bump. All the buttons are blended in with the side, so you can see right there. But let's check it out on the phone. It looks really nice and clean. Power button, volume rocker, easy access to your do not disturb toggle. Camera is recessed. This is a dummy model provided, so I can't really do a test as far as how it works with a charger. But SupCase does ensure that these do work with wireless charging, so you shouldn't have any problems with these with your favorite wireless charger that you may have laying around at home. Ports are open and ample, so again, no problem. These cases retail for $12.99. I will leave the links to those down below. Let's check out the all clear one. Looks real nice, all clear. Shows off the phone bumpers even more. Camera recessed and protected. Lip protection. Ports are cut out perfectly. This is a great looking case, $12.99. This is the Unicorn Beetle Clear Design Hybrid Protective Case. Next up, I have the UB Sport series from SupCase. Now, these are some of my favorite cases. You can get these in a variety of colors, but I do have the three that they do have available upon the launch. The blue, they have the black and a purple. Have cool accent colors to them. Let's open them up, take a quick look. These cases do retail for $16.99. This is kind of like a more budget-friendly form of a OtterBox kind of case. Way thinner, way easier to work with. It is a two-piece. See the interior, cutouts and everything is nicely put together. This extra sponge back to help shock absorption. Corners are nice and roomy for the phone. Does come with a screen protector, front and back, built in on the actual case itself. Real quick, drop the phone in the front part of it first. Go in from bottom to top. Seal all the way around. Real nice heavy duty case, gray with the blue trim. Camera is recessed, will be protected, cutouts on point. No need to worry about lip protection of the screen due to the front of it and how it's built. No problem. This should handle almost any kind of fall. Power button does stand away from the actual case, so it's easy to find. Volume rocker is the same way. The port to the Do not disturb is nice and wide open, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. Again, a very nice case. Retail for $16.99. Let me show you the other colors right quick. Black and gray. This is a clean looking one. And let's check out the one. Purple one is really nice and clean. Nice light pastel colors. Hopefully the ladies would like this one also. For those who are prone to dropping their phone, but you still would like to have a very stylish case, this may be a case you should consider. So that pretty much does it for the Unicorn Beetle Sport Series. Get them together. That looks nice. Next up, we have here the Unicorn Beetle Electro Series. Now, this case is one of the nicer looking cases that they have. It's a slim, full body protective case with a built-in screen protector, much thinner than the one you saw earlier. The features improve a self-repair technology that gradually removes light to moderate surface scratches from the back of the case. It is transparent on the back cover, metallic case edging to highlight your iPhone's signature look. It does raise the camera and screen bezels and provide added protection. Now it does have precise cutouts to allow for easy access to all your features and buttons. It is compatible with wireless chargers, should have no problems there. Built-in screen protector to guard against fragile glass screen scratches without compromising your touch sensitivity. This is only compatible with the iPhone 11 6.1 inch. So let's check the fit. These are $16.99. Like I said, these are a two-piece, highly protective style case, very thin. Go with this one. Does come with some installation instructions like the last one I didn't show you, but they all come. Any of the two-piece one comes with a lot of comes with these little installation instructions on them. Again, this is a two-piece case, much thinner than the other one. Shiny metallic, nice accent colors. Take this little film off. They have little tabs down in each corner so you can take these apart. Way thinner than the other one and way more flexible in its built, not as hard. The materials go around it, seal it. Looks real nice and clean. I like this one. SupCase branding. Buttons does protrude from the case. The volume rocker. You got the stir switch. Power. Camera is recessed and protected. Cutouts are perfect. Again, don't have to worry about the lip protection. Your screen protector will protect you from minor scratches. It is not meant to be a replacement for a tempered glass or any other type of screen protector, but it will protect you from light scratches if you are the type of people who doesn't like to use said screen protector. Let's check out the other colors. Ooh, nice. When the light hit, it looks a little gray. I like how the colors play off of it with the light. And the last one. Now, for those of you out there who may get that green one, oh, this is clean. That's nice right there. So, here are the color selection for the Electro plated SUP cases. Real nice and clean. I will leave all the prices and links for this down below. But this is the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Electric Series for the iPhone 6. And I do have the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro Series. Now this case does retail for $19.99. Now this particular case is the CNET winner of annual best case scenario drop test. Now this multi-layered TPU and polycarbonate materials create a rugged, versatile drop protection. It does have a built-in screen protector to prevent from scratches without compromising touch sensitivity. It does have a rotating belt holster, detachable swivel belt clip holster for convenient, hands-free, pocket-free carrying. This case also has a built-in kickstand. It does have the precise cutouts to ensure for proper access to all your iPhone ports, functions, and features compatible with wireless protection. This is only compatible with the iPhone 11. I must keep repeating that just in case you forget it. So let's open up one. Got this in a black and blue. Come with the holster. Give you an idea what you're working with. Does have the dust protection. The ports. Easy tabs, like all SupCase, making it easy to remove all those little trolling factors away from the plastic that protects these cases. One thing is this heavy does come with an installation guide, also a thank you card, like all their cases. Drop it in bottom first. You work your way around to seal it, pretty much like similar to all them other cases. Nice protection, heavy duty kickstand, easy to get at. Set it up right there for easy viewing on long trips, airplanes, cars, lunch break. You can also view it in a portrait mode. Camera is recessed and protected. Ports are covered and protected for dust and dirt. Got the nice little carbon fiber look right here in the top for the accent points. Does have little markings for grip, power button, volume rocker. Volume rocker does protrude slightly, and your do not disturb case part of it is protected, so you will have to pull back to get access to that. But that's part of the full protection setup that you get with these type of cases. Again, $19.99. These are great cases. Show you the other color right quick. Got them in blue, and I think they have them in like a pinkish, like lavender type of color. Also for the other one. Blue one looks real nice. Does have like a dual trim. It got the blue and a gray trim on the inside as far as when it comes to that camera. But basically the same case, just a different look, different accent colors. But it does have a little gray carbon fiber look up there too also. So not much of a difference from the black one. So that pretty much does it for the SupCase Unicorn Beetle series of cases. I'd like to thank the people over from SupCase for sending me out their whole lineup. I really appreciate it for the iPhone 6. I will have all the links, like I said, in all the segments down below. Please feel free to use those because using those links helps my channel. Those are affiliate links. I really appreciate it if you do use them. They help me out, help me keep doing what I'm doing for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you've never been here before, hey, why don't you try subscribing and sticking with me, man, going through this little journey with me with my little YouTube channel here. I really would appreciate that. Other than that, again, thanks everybody. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.